Daddy versus the dishwasher.
Today, we will see who uses the least amount of water. On my right, we have Daddy. And on my left, we have the dishwasher. Ready, set, scrub.
The dishwasher wins.
Dishwashers use less water than hand washing. Hand washing uses up to 27 gallons of water, while dishwashers use as little as 3 gallons of water. It's important to only run your dishwasher when it's full. If you have an older dishwasher, consider purchasing a new Energy Star dishwasher which uses less water. For more information, go to www.wateruseitwisely.com. #dishwasher is better.